It's an e-bike ride. So it was raining last night through this morning. Eased up at 2:30. It's a one of those observance holiday things where we honor our moms, and we're planning a dinner in a couple of hours. The sibling took mom out, so I have a couple hours to mess around. Couple hours to take a ride. The weather cleared up. I had a chance to change my tire, my rear tire, and my rear brake pad. I figured, hey, what the heck, get it all done, right? Got a blue brake pads. When I last bought the brake pads, I totally missed the color option. I just bought plain black. I was like, okay, whatever, I don't care. And this time around, I noticed the color option again, like, or rather the first time, and I'm like, oh, blue, hey. So that fits the color scheme of the bike. So I have a black pad in the front, blue in the back. Take turn. I have my documents on me, property, belongings. I have my water pack. I have snack bar pack. I ate a very late lunch. I don't want my blood sugar to drop. So it's a bit breezy, cool and breezy. Mid 50s, mid to low 50s, and I think it's supposed to go like 60 eventually. So I'm going to take a short ride, I think, today, since the other parts of town are not going to be that photogenic. with the gloom of the weather. Make the turn here. Oh, hey. Windows. Fountain. It's taking all the dramatic skyline view. Trees are overgrown. So these pads have like a graduated wear-in where they work grippy, very grippy, to about 3 or 4/5 wearing in, and then they gradually become more stiff and less grippy near the end. At least in that regard, you have a warning of when you need to replace them. So my finances are kind of tight. I had it all set. I'm like, okay, I'll be okay for this time frame. And then surprise, surprise, the annual fee on the credit card. Put everything out of kilter. Had to shuffle a few things. People think you're an e-bike vlogger, you're rolling in dough, and you're, everything is set. But the e-bike and the camera were pandemic money, basically. And part of the experimentation with the batteries. I count the maintenance as part of normal wear and tear. Expected expenses, you know. But it goes to show you, you could be on a shoestring budget and still be e-biking. You know, if you have a little help, right? Now they have all these rebate programs in different states, so that's pretty cool. But no matter what, the expense of an e-bike is far, far, far less than the expense of a car. We're a 3-car household, and well, we would be a 3-car household, but when I started getting into e-bikes, I'm like, you know, hey, we don't need to have a 3rd car. And it's been working out pretty good. I've been using e-bike to get to more appointments and things, you know. Oh, this tire is very stable. Wow. It's a Highline fat tire snow bike tire. Look at that. A lot of ripples in the street. So every tire change, tube change, tire change, every brake pad change is an opportunity to practice a little maintenance discipline, you know? Keeping the habit, keeping the routine. Instead of feeling defeated and worn down and like you can't keep up with your repairs and stuff, just get it done. This Highline tire comes in a box, zip tied up, folded over, and when you're unfurling it, I mean, it seems very soft, and not very, I'll be honest, not very confidence inspiring. Like, you can't imagine the tires being that durable. But once you get it on the bike and you pump up the tire and everything, and you get to riding it, it actually feels a very solid, stiff ride. Very sure ride. I'm not sponsored by Highcline. It's a tire I paid for. I only paid like 30 bucks for it. 29, 30 or whatever. Some of the other tires I was looking at were like $50, $60, $55, $60 and more. And I was like, yeah, I'm on a budget. Yeah, that's not me. So you know, I set the search results to lowest to highest plus shipping, and price plus shipping lowest to highest, and I found this, so I said, alright, I'm gonna go for this. The old racing strip. Yeah, so for a racing stripe, you're sure to go slow. Takes you sightseeing, checking out the skyline. Just pause here for a moment to look at the gloomy skyline. We're not going to go to the park fresh from the storm. Yeah, this tire is more stable. Huh. That's interesting. See, going up the hill. How stable is it? Yeah, pretty stable. All right. We're back on Burger Line. Hey, buddy. Nice move. Good. So we are on Burger Line and all the drama associated with it. Little toot. Remind the person, hey, look, before you pull out fast. Guy's busy yammering instead of driving. coming up to the home stretch. Where we think about all the life's things, all life's challenges and gifts. What has been and what will be. So I think we're gonna wish you a good day, ride, evening. I don't know when you're watching this. Early, late. Most are watching it early. So may all your wishes come true, good things. Maybe you hit the lottery or win an e-bike or something, I don't know. To join a contest. I don't know. Or maybe it'll just be a simple thing. You'll have like a really good latte. And it'll be the best latte you've ever had. In good company. You never know. So with that, I think that's going to be the ride. And that's going to be the vlog.